ओम शांति। ओम शांति। ओम शांति। Hello friends, I am Rajesh Singh. I would like to tell you something about golden points on lifestyles. First of all, we can discuss about be strong and fearless. Courage is the most important virtue of comes from indomitable will. Most people wanting to be more confident will aim directly for confidence, but I think they could have better success by aiming for fearlessness. In many ways, it's a more direct approach to being more confident. When you try to be confident, you are attempting to build yourself higher than your fear in a I can do this kind of way. Some people say that I don't think anyone could be more brave than me. Every one of us deal with some kind of fear every day. But you know what? It's important to be fearless and move forward to learn from what went wrong. Fear does not empty tomorrow of its sadness. It empties today of its power. So, I have decided to be fearless and may it be any circumstances I will rise with full power. Choose to be optimistic. Everything will be fine. Trust your every step which leads you to your destination. Second, Secondly, we can discuss about make mistakes. Mistakes are necessary to grow and prove that you are trying move on. Come out of bad memories, beautiful time is waiting for you. Love yourself first. It's nobody's job to like you, it's yours. Self love is not the same as being selfish. Rather, self love means having a positive regard for our own well being and happiness. When we adopt an attitude of self love, we have higher level of self esteem. When you love yourself, life takes care of the details because everything else is minor compared to acceptance of one's self. Don't wait for perfect time. Just start your work and make the time perfect. If you are always waiting for the perfect time to start something new, you will never begin. Stop waiting for the perfect moment and start now. Don't wait until everything is just right. It will never be perfect. There will always be challenges, obstacles, and less than perfect condition. So what? Get started now. With each step you take, you will grow stronger and stronger, more and more skilled, more and more successful. Be brave. With the courage no one can practice can exceptional virtue with consistency. Take risk and allow the unexpected. Always believe in yourself. Your confidence is your own power. Always believe in yourselves. Your confidence is your own power. Believe in yourself will open up endless possibilities in your life. At times you may find this difficult to do. The truth is that we have been conditional throughout our lives to doubt ourselves. अच्छा,